Namaste yogis and welcome to Baumann Yoga. Wake up, stretch, strengthen and ground yourself with my morning warrior yoga flow. Stand up tall at the top of your mat. Inhale through the nose, reach your arms up. Exhale, join your hands together. Draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Feel free to set your intention for your practice or your day. Namaste. Inhale, sweep your arms down, around and up. And as you exhale, interlace your hands and give yourself a nice stretch. Lengthen the spine, open up the side body. Ground down through your feet as you reach up. And then release the hands, but keep your arms up. And with your right hand, grab hold of your left wrist. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, side body stretch to your right. Keep breathing. And inhale, come back to center, switching sides. Exhale, release your hands. Left hand grabs hold of the right wrist. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, side body bend to your left. Keep grounding your feet firmly into the floor. Keep your chest open. Stay connected with your breath. And as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower your arms down. And inhale, circle your arms down, around and up. Exhale, lengthen the spine, fold forward from the hips. Drop your head down, relax the neck. Soften the knees. Inhale, lengthen the spine, come up halfway. Place your hands on the shins. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come all the way up, circling your arms down, around and up. Exhale, join your hands together in front of your heart, Samastarihi. And let's get ready for Sun Salutation A. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back, come up halfway. Place your hands on the shins. And exhale, fold down. Inhale, step your right foot out to the back. Come into high lunge. Make sure your left knee is right above the left ankle. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your left foot back. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Adjust your hands and feet. Come into a plank pose. Exhale, drop the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra. Peel your chest up. Press down through the tops of the feet and your pubic bone. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, curl the toes under. Bend the knees. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Step the right foot forward in between the hands. Exhale. Step your left foot forward to meet the right. Standing forward bend. Inhale. Lengthen the spine, come up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up all the way. Exhale, join your hands together in front of your heart. And let's get ready for the left side. Inhale, circle your arms down, around and up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back, come up halfway. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, step your left foot out to the back, high lunge. Exhale, right foot steps back to meet the left, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest and chin down. Inhale, press down through the tops of the feet and your pubic bone, peel your chest up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, curl the toes under, bend the knees and come into a downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, step the left foot forward, high lunge. And exhale, step the right foot forward to meet the left. Standing forward bend. Inhale, come up halfway, flat back. Exhale, fold down. And inhale, come up all the way. Exhale, join your hands together, Samastarihi. Very good, yogi. Place your hands on your hips and step your right foot out to the back. Imagine you're standing on railroad tracks. Point the right toes about 1 inch outward and the hip bones are facing the front of your mat. Bend the front knee and lengthen your stance as needed. Your weight is in the middle. Warrior 1 pose. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, fold forward, bringing your head towards your front knee. And remember, keep the front knee, your left knee, right above the left ankle. Inhale to come back up. Option 1 is to do this again. And the second option, you can follow me. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hold your Warrior 1 pose. Then release the hands. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. And as you exhale, fold forward for Humble Warrior. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, release. Place your hands on your hips, shift your weight forward, lift your right leg off the floor, flex the right foot. Keep your hips parallel with the ground and steady your focus. Keep breathing, warrior 3 pose. Hold your balance, and then lower your hands down, place them on the floor by your front foot. Lower your head down and lift your right leg up higher, point the toes for standing splits pose. Well done. Lower the right foot down, step your left foot to meet the right, downward facing dog. Inhale, come to your plank and let's flow it out. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin down, and lower all the way down. As you inhale, come up in the cobra. Exhale, lower your forehead and chest down. Inhale, curl the toes under, bend the knees, push yourself back as you exhale in a downward facing dog. Inhale, step the right foot forward, warrior on the other side. Remember, you're standing on railroad tracks. Hip bones are facing the front of your mat. Slightly point the left toes outward. Bend the front knee, weight is in the center, warrior 1 pose. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, bring your head down towards your front knee. On your next inhale, come back up. And you can do this again, or do the arm variation. Inhale, reach the arms up, warrior 1 pose, exhale. Then lower your hands down, interlace your hands behind your lower back. Inhale, get ready, and as you exhale, fold forward for humble warrior pose. Choose the option that works for you. Hold your balance and keep breathing, and slowly come back as you inhale. Release your hands, place your hands on the hips, shift your weight forward for warrior 3 pose. Lift up your left leg, flex the left foot, and remember to keep your hips parallel with the ground. Hold your balance by steadying your focus on one point on the floor. Steady your breath. Then place your hands on the ground, folding forward as you lift your left leg up higher for standing splits pose. Keep squaring your hips and keep breathing. Well done. Then lower your left foot down, step it back, and step the right foot back to meet the left, downward facing dog. Flow it out, inhale plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin down, then lower all the way down. Inhale, come up in a cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, curl the toes under, bend the knees. Exhale, downward facing dog. And we'll do the same flow all over again. Inhale, step your left foot forward for warrior 1 pose. Reaching the arms up. Exhale. Inhale, interlace your hands behind your lower back. Exhale, humble warrior. As you inhale, come back up. Release your hands. Place your hands on the hips. Shift your weight forward for your warrior 3 pose. Lift your right leg off the floor. Hips are parallel with the ground. Keep your hands on the hips or take airplane position. Then lower your hands down for standing splits pose. And release. Placing the right foot down on the ground. Step your left foot to the back, downward facing dog, and flow it out. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower the knees, chest, chin. And then lower all the way down. Take your cobra or take an upward facing dog by lifting the torso and legs off the floor. Gaze forward. Inhale, curl the toes under. Exhale, downward facing dog. Get ready for the other side. Inhale, step the right foot forward. Warrior 1 pose. Reaching the arms up. Exhale, hold your warrior. On your next inhale, lower your hands down. Interlace your hands behind your lower back. As you exhale, fold forward, humble warrior. Hold balance and keep breathing. Inhale, come back up. Place your hands on the hips. And shift your weight forward, take your warrior 3 pose. Flex your back foot. Steady your breath and your focus. Keep your hips parallel with the ground. Hands on the hips or release your hands into airplane position. Keep breathing and hold your balance and lower your hands down by your front foot on the floor. Lift your left leg up higher for standing splits pose. And then step your left foot back. Step the right to meet your left for downward facing dog. Flow it out. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower your knees, chest, chin down. Then come all the way down. As you inhale, take your cobra pose or an upward facing dog. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, bend the knees, curl the toes under. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up and step it forward. Placing the right knee by your right hand. Point your right toes and take your pigeon pose. Make sure that the hip bones are facing the front of your mat. Sit up tall. Keep extending your left leg back, point the left toes. Stay sitting up tall or rest on your forearms. Keep squaring the hips. And keep breathing. Slowly and gently coming out of your pigeon pose, step it back into a downward facing dog. Let's get ready for the other side. Inhale, reach your left leg up, bend the left knee, and place your left knee by your left hand on the floor. Point the left toes, extend your right leg back, point the right toes. Keep squaring your hips, meaning parallel your hips with the front of your mat. Sit up tall or rest on your forearms. Stay connected with your breath. Allow your body to sink deeper into your pigeon pose on each exhale. Take 2 more deep breaths. And as you inhale, release your pigeon pose. Swing your back leg forward. Sit up tall with your knees up, planting the feet firmly into the floor, and the feet and the knees are in line with the hips. Place your hands right behind you, and then windshield wipe your knees from side to side. Go in your own pace. Wonderful. Slowly come back to center. And then hold on to your knees. Lean back, lengthen the spine, and also to protect your lower back, press your belly button in towards the spine. Then lift your feet off the ground. Take your bow pose. Keep holding on to your knees or release the hands. Inhale, get ready. As you exhale, open up to your right side, twisting from your chest to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to your left. Inhale, back to center. Well done. Give yourself a nice big squeeze and release. Lower yourself down to lie down on your back and squeeze your knees into your chest. Keep breathing. Imprint your lower back into the floor. And take a deep breath in. Open your arms like a capital T. As you exhale, lower your knees down to your right side. Keep your knees together. Keep both shoulders on the floor. Roll your head over to your left side. Breathe. Inhale back to center and twist to your other side. Let your knees fall to your left. Roll your head over to the right. Remember to keep both shoulders on the floor. Inhale back to center. And let's close class in our final resting pose, Shavasana, corpse pose. Lengthen your legs, let your feet fall open. Arms are along the body with the palms facing up. Head is in the center and close your eyes. Take a couple of deep, cleansing breaths in and out through the nose. As you inhale, feel your body expanding, filling up with air. Exhale, release everything, tension and everything you don't need. Continue deep breaths, or allow your breath to be whatever you prefer. And slowly begin to deepen your breath, waking up your body. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Yawn, sigh, stretch yourself out. Do whatever feels good right now. And with your knees up, roll over to your right side. From there, push yourself up to a cross-legged position. Sit up tall and slightly dip your chin. As you inhale through the nose, reach your arms up. Gather all the positive energy, love, and light into your whole being. Exhale, join your hands together and draw your hands down in front of your heart, prayer position. Remember your intention. And also thank yourself for doing your yoga practice today. Thank you so much for joining me. May this yoga class be a blessing to you. Have a wonderful day.